Hello guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm taking you through on how to open an ACER laptop. To do this, we'll have to flip the laptop upside down and unscrew all the screws holding the base cover beneath it. So let's begin. Usually when you're opening a laptop, the first thing you have to remove is the battery. But on this laptop, the battery is buried within the casing of the laptop, and before we get to remove the battery, we have to open the whole thing. So in the absence of the battery, we remove the CD-ROM, that's the optical drive first. After which we unscrew all the screws holding the base cover to the upper frame of the laptop. Now we'll check through to be sure there's no screw remaining on the laptop before we proceed to open it. Turns out there's no screw, so we'll open it. Usually on most laptops, it's easier to start from the right side of the laptop. So start here and try not to use a metallic object because it might cause it might scratch the case, the housing of your laptop. So use a plastic or a softer object. So these are the internal components of the laptop. This is the hard drive, the network card, the processor is beneath the heatsink and the cooling fan, and this is the memory. Usually after removing the lower case, the next thing you want to do is to remove all the components, the flex cables and any other cable connecting any external device to the motherboard. And before we proceed, I want to remove the hard drive first. So you remove its flex cable first, then gently pull it out. Make it, get it closer. So this is the hard drive. So you can go ahead to remove it from its casing, which might vary from other laptops. Yeah, so this is the hard drive. Now we'll go ahead to remove the screws. After removing all the flex cables, we'll unscrew the screws holding the motherboard to the main frame of the laptop. Yeah. And there we go. We can easily remove our motherboard from the laptop. So this is the motherboard. Next on our list is to remove the cooling fan. Yeah, and we are done. I just realized one thing, our battery is missing. So in assembling our parts back to the laptop, we wouldn't assemble the laptop with the battery. But in your case, try to assemble the battery last after inserting all the components before closing the base cover. So let's start with it. To insert the hard drive back to its original position, you need to insert it. To insert the hard drive back to its original position, you need to insert it a bit farther from the connector on the motherboard, then gently glide it into its connector. Then it's inserted. Then we'll proceed to inserting all our flex cables we removed when we were disassembling the laptop. I must caution you to be careful in order not to damage any flex cable or any components within some of the components are very delicate. Now with the network card, usually you have the main cable and then the auxiliary cable. The main cable usually is the white cable and the aux is the black one. Sometimes the number is 1 and 2. The one most of the times is the white terminal, then 2, or the aux is the black terminal. In some cases it might be only one terminal. Don't be bothered, it will still work fine if you wanted to connect it to any of the terminals. After inserting all our flex cables, the other cables, we'll proceed to tightening all the screws holding the motherboard to the main frame of the laptop. And bring it back. At this juncture, the next thing we should have done is to insert our battery before closing the base cover. But in this case, the laptop had no battery, so we'll skip this step. But in case you have a battery, please insert it before closing it. And once again, try to verify to be sure you've not missed any cable or you've inserted everything correctly. If not, some components of the computer wouldn't work when you finish fixing it. After checking and everything is okay, proceed to closing our laptop. There's a little pressure on it. And it's closed. So we can proceed now to screwing back all the screws removed from the cover of the laptop. At this stage, you can test your laptop to be sure it's working or the problem is fixed before closing it. There are some instances where you finish closing it and the problem is not solved. You forgot to fix a particular cable, like the speaker's cable, or something was not fitted right. So it's better you check thoroughly before closing the laptop completely. After screwing all the screws to a laptop, the last thing we reset is our CD-ROM. And we are done. It's very simple if you are careful. Alright guys, this is the end of our video today, and I hope you've enjoyed it or you've learned from the video. Looking forward to reading your contributions through the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.